Coming up in this video, I'm going to be using Monin's Vanilla Syrup and I'm creating a rum-based Vanilla Mule. Welcome back, Drinkstuff fans. Today's video, I'm focusing on Monin's Vanilla Syrup. It is probably, apart from sugar syrup, it probably is the sugar, the flavour, the syrup, whatever you want to call it, the flavour that I go through the most, simply because of Pornstar Martini. So chances are, most of you have got a bottle of this lying around at home because of your Pornstar Martinis. So what else can we make with it? Well, for me, one of my go-tos, I love mules, and I've called this Mule. Obviously, Mule technically is vodka based, so vodka, ginger beer, limes, Angostura Bitters. But you know, we can't really call it a dark and stormy because of Goslings, and they've trademarked that. So it's not, you know, it's not really a dark and stormy. But I have created. So essentially, we're swapping out the vodka for your favourite rum in here, and I'll talk you through the ingredients, what I'm going to use in a second. As always, I do the videos back to front, so I haven't tried this yet. For me, I just is one of my go-to ways to drink rum. If I love daiquiris and I love sort of cocktails and that, but very soon I grew out of sort of rum and coke years ago, and rum and ginger beer was my big thing. And just to add those vanilla notes to it, bit of lime, bit of citrus. Oh my god, this is a stunning drink. And you could add some other fruit in there. Could add a bit of pineapple juice, pineapple and vanilla mule as well. Mango, that'll all work a treat. So plenty of inspiration. Let's dive right into making a cocktail. So let's run you quickly through the ingredients we're going to use. Obviously, we've got our vanilla syrup there. I'm going for a rum. For this, just a normal rum. You could go whatever you fancy. Spiced rum, normal rums, whatever. It doesn't really matter. Got some lime juice. Again, fresh limes. Just squeeze a few limes in, not a problem. Angostura Bitters and ginger beer. So flipping simple. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I am going to shake this. You don't have to shake it. You can just build it in a glass. No dramas whatsoever. So ingredient number one, I'm just going for a nice aged rum. Again, this will be purely down to your tastes. White rum, aged rum, spiced rums, whatever. I'm going for a 60ml double bubble of whatever you're using. And as I said at the top, you know, mules are technically vodka. So you could go vodka in here, whatever takes your little fancy. Right, we've got a rum. I'm going for 15ml of vanilla sugar syrup. Now, and again, adjust to your palate. If that's too sweet for you, dial it down. 10ml, third of an ounce, whatever. There we go. So I've got 15ml, half an ounce of vanilla sugar syrup there. Lime juice, again, I do like mules and stormies, sort of citrusy, so I'm going 15ml, half an ounce, which will be the equivalent of what, 3 wedges of lime, half a lime, if you like. So 15ml, half an ounce of that. And then the final ingredient before the old shaky is my Angostura Bitters. And they're like seasoning. So whatever your palate is, I go for 3 dashes. If you want 1 dash, if you want slightly more, be my guest, but I'm going 3. 1, 2, 3. Lovely. Just gives those nice kind of proper. I kind of grew up on mules and stormies and all those kind of cocktails, so I absolutely love this. Right, just quickly ice this down, and good old half-hour shake. Right, when that's all chilled, pop that down there, and then I'm going for my ginger beer. I like quite feisty ginger beers, so this is a perfect brand, whatever you fancy. And I'm going 60ml. You could even use ginger ale. If you want it less subtle, ginger ale, be my guest. 60ml, 2 ounces. In my shaker, so I don't have to stir it once it's in the glass. Glass-wise, what we're going to use? I'm going to use that. And I'm just going to do shake and dump for this. So, you know, you could do fresh ice, of course, but just pour that in there. There we go. And just top it up with a bit more ice. Whatever, crushed ice if you want to. Whatever you've got. I've just got that to garnish. I've got a wedge of lime here. I like just doing, because it's rum, I just love doing like a little sprig of mint on there as well. If you want even more Monin inspiration, more cocktails, dive into one of the playlists that's popping up on screen right there. And as always, if you like me, big old thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss any of our future videos, is that the right way around? Make sure you subscribe to the channel.